Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to trace the fascinating journey of a single pill to unpack a monumental industry shift known as Pharma 4.0. It's all about how the Internet of Things is literally rewiring everything we know about medicine, from the initial discovery in a lab right down to how a drug interacts with your very own body. To really put the stakes into perspective here, let's talk money. $2.6 billion. Let that sink in. That is the staggering estimated cost to discover and develop just one single new drug. We are looking at a massive global engine that's projected to surpass $3 trillion in value by 2034. And even if you have that immense pile of capital ready to go, you're still looking at a solid 10 years, a full decade of grueling research, complex clinical testing, and highly sensitive manufacturing before that medicine ever reaches a patient's hands. That's 10 years of trial and error relying on some incredibly fragile processes. So here's the billion-dollar question. How exactly do we fix a system that is this slow and this incredibly expensive? How do we fix a rigid setup where a single broken factory part or just a temporarily warm shipping container can literally ruin years of scientific work? Well, historically, the industry was super reactive, fixing things only after they broke or tossing out entire batches of medicine just because of a slight temperature bump. But as we'll see, the Internet of Things is changing that entire paradigm. Okay, let's map out our roadmap for Pharma 4.0. First, we'll cover the connected pharma ecosystem. 2, smart labs and factories. 3, securing the supply chain. 4, connecting the patient. 5, impact and industry challenges. And finally, 6, the future of pharma. Section 1, the connected pharma ecosystem, the architecture of IoT. Let's establish exactly what this connected web of sensors actually looks like. When you look at the architecture, you'll notice it splits really cleanly into 2 distinct buckets. On one hand, you have the industrial side, where IoT is optimizing massive manufacturing equipment, tracking supply chains, and running quality systems. But then, on the patient side, it actually extends that data collection directly to us. We're talking wearables, smart packaging, and remote health platforms. And together, these 2 halves create one fully connected end-to-end value chain. Moving on to Section 2, smart labs and factories, where the magic begins. Let's make our first actual stop on the physical journey. So instead of waiting around for a machine to suddenly break down, engineers are now using what is arguably IoT's single most powerful tool, the digital twin. By pulling a continuous stream of data from physical sensors, they create a real-time, living virtual replica of an asset or facility. This means they can predict deviations before they even happen, they can run predictive process control, and test entirely virtual configurations without risking millions of dollars on a physical production line. It's a total game changer. And the real-world results are honestly just phenomenal. Look at Johnson & Johnson. Through their Pharma 4.0 investments, they've cut unplanned downtime by 50%. That means their machines are running reliably exactly when they need them to. But even more mind-blowing, they slashed testing lead times by 90%. When you remember that we are talking about a sluggish 10-year development cycle, a 90% reduction in testing time is an absolute lifesaver for getting medicines to patients faster. Which brings us to Section 3, securing the supply chain, the most critical IoT application. Once our pill is manufactured, it's time to hit the highway. Pharmaceuticals, especially things like biologics and vaccines, are incredibly fragile. A few degrees off during transit can completely ruin a batch. So embedded IoT sensors and blockchain technology are used to create this continuous track and trace audit trail across 5 huge handoffs: manufacturer, distributor, wholesaler, pharmacy, and ultimately the patient. If a container even starts to get too warm, automated alerts trigger instantly so someone can step in and save the shipment. But here's the really wild part. This strict tracking isn't just about keeping things cold. It actively guards against counterfeit drugs. And honestly, this is a massive deal because fake drugs make up anywhere from 10 to a terrifying 30% of the global medicine supply, depending on the region. By giving every single pill bottle a unique digital identity that gets tracked at every node in the supply chain, the power of authenticity verification is put directly in the patient's hands. All right, Section 4, connecting the patient beyond the pharmacy counter. Our medication finally arrives at its destination. This is where IoT gets deeply personal. We're talking about smart packaging that knows exactly when a blister pack is opened, combined with continuous biometric monitoring that passively captures your heart rate, sleep quality, and activity levels. This constant stream of real-world evidence means researchers can literally conduct decentralized clinical trials right in a patient's living room, dramatically reducing dropout rates. In fact, the source material notes this kind of proactive monitoring could slash overall healthcare costs by up to 25%. Next up, Section 5, Impact and Industry Challenges, Friction in the System. Because, of course, completely wiring a highly regulated global industry is no walk in the park. Widespread adoption is currently stalled by some pretty significant barriers. There's the massive, continuous volume of data management to deal with. Then you've got the headache of interoperability, trying to get shiny new IoT sensors to talk to aging legacy systems running outdated protocols. Add to that the incredibly strict regulatory validation complexity for electronic records, like the FDA rules in GAMP5. And finally, there's a real workforce skills gap. It's really hard finding people who deeply understand both complex pharma processes and cutting-edge digital technology. But you know what the absolute scariest hurdle is? Security. The average pharma company faces 71 cyber attacks every single year, and successful breaches can cost upwards of $5.2 million. Because IoT drastically expands the attack surface, every single new connected cleanroom thermometer, biometric wearable, or GPS tracker is a potential backdoor for a malicious actor trying to steal intellectual property or sensitive patient data. And that leads us to our final stop, Section 6, the future of pharma, the next frontier. Conquering those challenges brings us to the fully realized vision of Pharma 4.0. The source material uses this phenomenal analogy that just hits the nail on the head. IoT is the central nervous system of the pharmaceutical value chain. It's no longer just a random collection of trackers. It's a system that actually allows disconnected machines to feel, communicate, and respond almost like a biological entity, making the entire industry fundamentally safer and infinitely more responsive. So, I'm going to leave you with this thought to chew on. As all this continuous IoT data from your wearables merges with advanced AI and your own unique genomic records, how soon is it going to be before you have your very own personalized digital twin? Imagine a complete virtual replica of yourself predicting exactly which life-saving medicine your body needs at the exact right dose before you even get sick. Thank you for joining me on this explainer, and keep questioning how the technology of tomorrow is shaping our world today.